Good morning. In this code walkthrough, I'm currently going to showcase important components of photosynthesis system. I'll kindly start with the most important component of the system, keeper module. Here are the important methods in the keeper. Query redemption rate. Query the redemption rate for the given epoch number. Get the redemption rate query interval. Get the redemption rate threshold. Get the redemption interval threshold. Get the latest redemption record. Get cumulative liquidity amount. Get total stake of all contract. Get the stake of given contract address. List all contract. Send tokens to the given contract address. Redeem liquid tokens for the given contract for the given amount. Distribute redeem tokens to the Dapps according to their state. Delete the latest redemption record. Liquid stake, distribute liquidity, and enqueue liquid stake record. Here are the flags used in Cobra CLI for updating contract metadata. Flag owner address, flag reward address, records limit, record IDs, airdrop duration, airdrop recipient address, airdrop vesting period, Archway Rewards funds transfer address, contract address, liquid stake interval, liquidity provider address, liquidity provider commission, liquidity token address, maximum threshold, minimum reward amount, redemption address, redemption interval threshold, redemption rate threshold, reward withdrawal interval. Here are the transactions as part of photosynthesis. Method set Archway LiquidStakeInterval. Interval at which Archway will do central liquid stake for cumulative rewards for all Dapps. Set redemption rate query interval. Interchain query poll to query redemption rate, and if it is greater than threshold, redeeming at the redemption rate using buffer windows to prevent liquidity chain close. Redemption rate threshold. Maximum redemption rate threshold, at which, like, if data is available greater than that redemption rate, it will redeem the liquid tokens. Central stake can be interfaced by plug-and-play liquid stake chains. Cumulative Dapp rewards can be split and staked across multiple liquidity chains to maximize the yield. So, one of the most important application of the liquid staking system is the minting NFTs. The reward which is generated by the Archway, when you get the liquid tokens corresponding to the same, you can use them to mint NFTs. So here's the message mint NFT structure. It contains sender, recipient, denomination, token ID, token URI, and properties. It is available to mint different NFTs deployed on Archway. The advantages of photosynthesis algorithm in this context include enabling Dapps to earn staking rewards without having to lock up their assets, providing liquidity to the ecosystem through the liquidity tokens, and allowing for efficient and automated management rewards and liquid staking through the epoch architecture. Furthermore, by using liquid tokens for NFT minting, Dapps can tap into the growing demand for NFTs and potentially generate significant revenue streams. Additionally, since the liquid tokens are tradable on various exchanges, Dapps can benefit from price appreciation of these tokens over time. One potential application is to use liquidity tokens earned through liquid staking Archway rewards to mint NFTs based on popular movies. For example, a Dapp could partner with a movie studio or a production company to create a series of NFTs featuring scenes or characters from blockbuster. These NFTs could then be sold to collectors and fans, with a portion of proceeds going to the Dapp and the movie studio. In the system, query liquid token, query liquid staking deposit, query liquid token balance, query redemption rate, query airdrop status. Now these airdrops are offered by the liquidity chain, like for staking for doing the staking and getting liquid tokens in return. You can periodically get your airdrop tokens from the liquidity chain. Query Archway liquid stake interval, query redemption rate query interval, query redemption interval, query redemption rate threshold, query reward control interval, query latest redemption record, query cumulative liquidity amount. Unit testing and invariants are also available. Here are some of the invariants and the boundary cases which are present in the system. Invariant to check that total liquidity stake amount is less than or equal to total reward amount. Invariant to check the sum of all Dapp liquid stake amount is less than or equal to their total reward amount. Invariant to check that the total commission charged with Archway is less than or equal to the total liquid staking commission received. Invariant to check that the contract reward amount is greater than or equal to the minimum threshold for liquid staking. Invariant checks that there is no negative balance in Archway account. Invariant checks that the total amount of liquidity tokens distributed to Dapp is equal to the total amount of liquidity tokens minted by the liquidity provider. Invariant checks to check the total redemption amount is less than or equal to the total liquid token balance. These are the important events of the photosynthesis system. The liquid stake deposit record event. This liquid stake deposit record, as you know already, are created when the Dapps are about to stake their rewards. So when their liquid stake interval modulus epoch number equals to 0, in that case, their rewards earns corresponding to the rewards earned, the liquid stake deposit for the query with the stake is pending. Redemption rate updated event. This occurs when the interchain query is done to pull the redemption rate and is greater than threshold. In that case, the redemption rate is updated if meeting the criteria. The reward distributed event. In this case, the rewards distributed event. Rewards are distributed in two scenarios. First is when the liquid staking is done and liquid tokens are obtained. They're distributed. Liquid tokens are distributed corresponding to different Dapps according to the state. Other is when the liquid tokens are redeemed for the corresponding to maximum redemption ratio. In this case, the liquid tokens are redeemed and the native currency is available for distribution to Dapps according to this state. Corresponding to reward withdrawal event, this is as part of the automatic reward withdrawal event protocol. So when the reward withdrawal interval for different Dapps modulus epoch number equals to 0, at that point the rewards are automatically transferred to the Dapps reward addresses, and it keeps on accumulating there periodically till the liquid stake deposit record is created for the rewards accumulated. So each time the reward withdrawal is done, the reward withdrawal event is generated. Here are some of the pluggable components in the system, which are very important from IBC perspective and from the blockchain timing for timing the blockchain code. Epoch, interchain account, interchain query APIs, these are all available in the Archway module. Their full CLI is available and can be customized as per requirements. For example, I'm showcasing the customization of custom epoch timers. Custom epoch timers encoded and used in photosynthesis system. Liquid staking Dapp reward epoch, reward withdrawal epoch, redemption rate query epoch, and central Archway liquid stake epoch. These are 4 prominent blockchain timers which are used for scheduling the blockchain code. Corresponding to these are important epochs. The most important workflows of the system. First case is reward withdrawal epoch. Rewards are withdrawn automatically using epoch architecture. For each contract whose metadata is available, if epoch number modulus reward withdrawal epoch equals 0, withdraw reward for that contract transfer to reward address. Second case, if it is liquid stake Dapp reward epoch and epoch number equal to the central liquid stake interval, fetch cumulative reward amount up for each contract via rewards records. If reward amount is greater than the minimum amount of liquid stake deposit record is included for that epoch. Third case, when epoch type is central Archway liquid stake interval, centrally liquid stake rewards to save gas fees. At this point, the new redemption record is created. Parameters of redemption record like equal to the cumulative amount of reward which is staked and the timestamp at which the rewards are staked. This is the redemption record structure. Fourth case, when epoch time equals to the redemption rate query epoch. Create redemption rate from the liquidity provider via exchange query. If the redemption rate is greater than threshold, redeem liquid tokens and distribute rewards to contract addresses. Process redemption rate queries the redemption rate at specific epoch and check if the redemption rate is above threshold. If the rate is above threshold, it initiates the redemption process. This includes calculating the time since latest redemption. Get time since latest redemption from the key value store. If it's greater than the redemption interval, redeem liquid tokens and distribute the redeemed tokens to the Dapps according to the stake. And then finally, the latest redemption record is also cleaned up from store to safe storage space. Now I'll discuss the important application of the photosynthesis system. Heavy transaction guaranteed Dapps on daily basis. These are very strong candidates for Archway Reward and the photosynthesis liquid token. First up, the most important application is add server. Serve and distribute add. This method serves an add with given ID by incrementing the queue count. It takes the following parameter: the unique identifier of the add. The method updates the app queue count and emits an image with the add information. For every 1000 impressions, one subunit, one can mark as a one subunit transaction on blockchain. Popular brands which get a lot of ad views for the campaigns can deploy their Dapps on Archway. As their ad transactions are quite bulky on daily basis, they are strong candidates for Archway rewards, as they'll generate very large amount of transactions and corresponding large amount of reward reports and the photosynthesis liquid token. This method is responsible for distributing rewards to ad creators based on number of views their ads received. So this is in the quantity of per 1,000 impressions. This also helps to prevent ad fraud. Cookie sync grants users certain amount of Archway tokens for each cookie that is successfully synced between two domains. The amount of tokens awarded could be determined by various factors, such as the number of cookies synced. Validation. Taking the user address and number of tokens they wish to claim. I validate the claim by checking if the user has successfully synced the required number of cookies. For every cookie, user ID is equal to one sync unit, and one can mark a sync unit transaction in a blockchain. For every unique cookie ID, there will be one sync unit and one unit transaction in the blockchain. Popular publishers that get a lot of traffic can deploy their dApps on Archway. As the traffic is quite heavy on a daily basis, they are strong candidates for Archway Reward and Photosynthesis tokens because they have large amount of traffic and large amount of unique users. Archway can kindly charge commission from publisher advertisers for using their service. P2E game. Matrix brain battery, which are essential digital pests with the genetic makeup represented by a unique DNA sequence. The contract provides certain functionality to manage this matrix brain battery, including creating a new one, feeding and multiplying two matrix brain battery to create a new one, attacking other matrix brain battery, changing name and DNA, and transferring ownership. All the above three systems create a feedback loop. Feedback loop means there's a lot of traffic, it generates Archway rewards, Photosynthesis liquid tokens, more revenue, and hence more traffic.